Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore T-Mobile account privacy settings and login alerts, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the T-Mobile website. Log in to your T-Mobile account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Account tab. Click on the Account tab to access account settings. Next, find the Privacy section. Click on the Privacy option to view your settings. In the Privacy section, look for options regarding account notifications. Here, you can manage how you receive login alerts. Adjust the settings according to your preference. For greater privacy, ensure that any unwanted notifications are disabled. Next, return to the main account settings page. Look for the Security section. Click on the Security option to review your account security settings. In this section, enable any additional security features, such as two-factor authentication. Save your changes after making adjustments. Once you have updated both privacy and security settings, log out of your account. Close the browser window for added security. You have now successfully restored your T-Mobile account privacy settings and login alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.